Hey everyone, are you ready to step into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading? Let me introduce you to Binance, one of the largest and most reputable exchanges in the market today. With its user-friendly interface and extensive features, Binance is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. And here's your chance to maximize your experience by using the Binance Referral code 291935167. You can unlock exclusive benefits that will enhance your trading journey. Imagine having access to over 389 cryptocurrencies, including popular assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. Binance offers a diverse range of trading options, from spot trading to margin and futures trading, allowing you to tailor your strategies based on your investment goals. With competitive trading fees of just 0.1%, plus a 25% discount for BNB holders, Binance ensures that you get the most out of every trade. Now, let's talk about the perks of using Binance Referral code 291935167. When you sign up with this code, you'll gain access to exciting promotions like reduced trading fees and lifetime cashback on every trade. This means more savings in your pocket as you navigate the crypto market. One of the standout features of Binance is its advanced trading tools. You can utilize various order types such as limit orders, market orders, and stop limit orders to effectively manage your trades. Plus, with leverage options available for futures trading up to an incredible 125 times, you can amplify your potential returns while managing risk effectively. For those looking to earn passive income, Binance offers a fantastic feature called Binance Earn. This allows you to stake your idle assets and earn interest over time, turning your cryptocurrency holdings into a source of income. Security is also a top priority at Binance. With robust measures in place, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for funds, you can trade with confidence knowing that your assets are well protected. Additionally, Binance has a vibrant community and excellent customer support available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or concerns. In conclusion, if you're eager to explore cryptocurrency trading or elevate your existing experience, Binance is the platform for you. Don't forget to use the Binance Referral code 291935167 when signing up to unlock exclusive benefits that will set you on the path to success. Get ready for an exhilarating trading adventure with Binance. Happy trading!